So, you think that kids should be safe on the roads. But it is really dangerous out there, no matter where in the world. And it's getting worse. Each day, over 500 kids die in traffic crashes and thousands more are injured. This needs to be solved. With the campaign Save Kids Lives, we want to make sure roads become safe for kids. Kids around the world told us what they need to be safe on the roads. The world's experts also came up with actions that must be taken. Yes, like that. These ideas and actions form the Child Declaration, and we want to call on our leaders to put it on their agenda, locally and worldwide. So how can you help? Well, it's easy. First, read the declaration and sign it on the website. Then, download the signboard, take a selfie, and show everyone your road safety message. In May 2015, the UN Road Safety Week will take place. Around then, we'll all hand the Child Declaration to our leaders. Together, we'll make a call for action on road safety. Go to the website and help save kids' lives.